In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Google Authenticator add-on on Firefox. Since there isn't an official Google Authenticator extension for Firefox, we'll use a trusted alternative that does the same job by generating time-based one-time passwords, also known as TOTP codes. These are the 6-digit codes you enter after your password to complete two-factor authentication. Start by opening Firefox on your computer. Head to the Firefox Add-ons website at addons.mozilla.org, or simply search for Firefox Add-ons and open the official site. This is the safest place to find extensions that have been reviewed by the community. In the site's search bar, type Authenticator or 2FA Authenticator. You'll see reputable options like Authenticator, which generates TOTP and HOTP codes in the browser, and 2FA Authenticator, another popular choice. Take a moment to open the extension page you like and review the description, star ratings, recent update history, and the list of permissions. That quick check helps ensure you're installing something maintained and trustworthy. When you're ready, click the extension you prefer, then choose Add to Firefox. A small dialog will appear outlining the permissions. Click Add to confirm. After installation, look near the address bar for the new icon, often a shield, key, or similar symbol. That's your authenticator, ready to configure. To set it up, click the extension icon in the toolbar. Follow the on-screen prompts to add an account. Most services you protect with two-factor authentication will show you a QR code during setup, typically found in the website's security or two-factor settings. With the extension open, choose the option to scan a QR code if it's supported. If scanning isn't available, select the manual entry option and paste the secret key provided by the service instead. Keep that key private and never share it. Anyone with it can generate your codes. Once an account is added, the extension will begin generating 6-digit time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds. When you sign in to the service you secured, enter the code shown in the extension to complete the login. Make sure your computer's clock is accurate, since TOTP relies on time to stay in sync. One final tip: store the site's backup codes safely in case you lose access to your browser. Some extensions also offer encrypted backups or syncing. Explore those options if you need portability. And remember, treat QR codes and secrets like passwords. Don't screenshot or share them. That's it. You've installed a Firefox Authenticator add-on and set up your first 2FA account.